What's up? My name is Mateo. This is my adventure cat Lars. This is my 1999 Chevy Astro, and this is a rainy day in my life. Even with my poncho on, I got soaking wet. Hey, Bubby. I need a cat poncho, that's what I need. Lars to come out. Brown crunchies? Oh yeah, Lars can do tricks, by the way. I'm not sure if I ever told you guys. Lay. There he goes. So I don't know why, but I really love when it rains. It's like that one song. If you guys haven't heard that one song, it's by a band called Willis, and the song is called "I Think I Like When It Rains." It's a really good song. It really sums up how I feel when it rains. I think I like when it rains. It's a really good song. But yeah, rain just like ever since I was a kid, my favorite days would be when I would wake up. And I know this is probably like weird for a kid, because you would think a kid would want to like wake up to the sun greeting them and stuff. But when I would wake up and I could not feel or see the sun shining through, and I would open the blinds and it would just be gray outside, those are the best days ever. Because I mean, I'm not sure about you guys, but I love staying inside. I mean, I do love being outside. I've gotten more into being outside, but I take being inside on a rainy day over most days, to be honest.
I am, my wings are expanding, I'm conquering flight. No foreign appendages, this is the legend and thing to write. See with new sight.
Oh yeah, guys. What are your rainy day movies? Like, what are your comfort movies? Like, on a day like this where I wake up and it's raining, all I really want to do is just lay in bed and like watch movies or TV shows. I'll give mine, then you give yours in the comments. So I think my number one, well, realistically, truthfully, my number one rainy day movie is not a movie. It's a whole entire saga. I guess like if I could choose one movie, okay, it's Twilight. I said it. I don't know why, but I love Twilight. I hated on it when I remember when it first came out. I was like 15 or something like that. And I was like, this movie's so lame. And I watched the first one. I didn't like it, like, at all. I was bored. I went to sleep during it. But then when I watched New Moon, number 2, that movie is incredible. The soundtrack is awesome. It's got Bon Iver on it. It's got so many good artists on that soundtrack, and the movie is incredible. So yeah, the Twilight Saga. I also love 28 Days Later. That's my favorite movie of all time. It's another good rainy day movie. The Office, always. That's always a good time. Attack on Titan is actually kind of a rainy day movie. I could like watch like a bunch of episodes of that during a rainy day. I know I have more, but I can't think of what my other rainy day movies are. But yeah, in fact, if it's raining near where you guys are, I'm actually gonna put my rainy day playlist. My rainy day Spotify playlist will be in the comments, so y'all check that out. But yeah, tell me what you do when it rains. Like, if you don't watch movies, what do you do? If you watch movies, what do you watch? Do you eat a certain food when it rains? What do you eat? Just tell me about your rainy day routines, because this is mine. I've been playing some games, listening to music. I just had tea, playing with Lars. Today is a great day. Today is a wonderful day. Also, to whomever got me guitar strings, thank you very much. These are really good strings, so I appreciate you guys so much. I'm still coming up with a nickname for this community. I'm still trying to think of something. I'll get back to you guys probably next week with some ideas. But yeah, back to the video. What the heck, man? My van's leaking. That's a lot of rain. Oh, man. The inside of my van is completely soaked right now. I don't know how long it's probably been raining in there all day. I mean, I heard raindrops, but I just thought it was like outside until I saw Lars jump up here and like stare at it. And all right, so I gotta figure out how to dry that out, because we can't have a wet van. That's not good, right, Bubby? That's no good. All right, but I'm not gonna let this get in the middle of my good day. We're gonna keep having a great day, because today is a freaking good day. So yeah, anything else you wanna add? No? Let the good day commence. Okay, so I found some Panera baked potato soup. This is gonna be delicious. I also got Lars some treats, which I need to hurry up and give him some before he tears my head off. I can't say this is the prettiest view I've ever had. Next to a dumpster and like pallets. But this is a nice day. The weather's fine. It's getting a little warmer, but still nice. The Birds are chirping. It's a nice day. So I'm not too far from my sister's house. I think I'm gonna head back there for the weekend because I think this is my last weekend here. I think after this week, it's gonna start getting way too hot for me and Lars to stay here. In fact, the sun's out now. Yeah, it's gonna start getting way too hot for us to stay here in the van. So we're gonna try to head north, well, at least more north. I'm thinking North Carolina. So yeah, so the rain's picking back up again. But yeah, something that just happened. This thing is about to break. It used to last a long time. Now when I charge it, I'll charge it for like 12 hours and it won't be fully charged. You'll only have 2 or 3 bars. And it just lasted me like an hour. Not even an hour of playing. It was probably more like 30, 40 minutes of playing. So yeah, this guy's almost, it's like a non-brand. It's like no name brand or anything, but I thought it would last longer than like a few months. But yeah, the rain's coming down, so I'm gonna close the door. So yeah, my generator is completely dead and it's not even noon yet. Yeah, I kind of expected that to last me like all day, but whatever. We're gonna enjoy this soup and then we're going to, I mean, I put this up here, but I can't even play it. So I might as well move it out the way and do some yoga and play the sound bowl and the steel drum. So yeah, well, we're gonna we're gonna do it like off-grid way. No, we don't need any kind of power. Although my phone is dying, so I'm probably gonna have to cut it pretty short today, so I can go ahead and edit this and post it for you guys, so y'all can see it tomorrow before my phone dies, because I can't charge it all day on my car, and my generator died. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and edit this and put it out. But yeah, back to the day. I have everything and nothing at all. I have everything. I have a roof over my head. I have a best friend at my side. I have food in my stomach. I have the rain pouring on me. I have family and friends. I have a wonderful community. I have everything. a wasp just like came in and went right back out. Okay. All right. Okay. No, we're not doing that. It came back in and back out. It was like deciding what it wanted to do. I made the choice for him. But anyways, guys, my phone is about to die, so I have to hurry up and edit this video so y'all can get it in the morning. After that, I'm gonna drive back to my sister's because I thought that my battery would last me a while, and my solar panel is not charging because obviously it's like extremely cloudy today. So I got to go back there to make sure I can have a charged phone to upload this video. So I will see you guys next time, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. And yeah, much more to come. Thank you to all of you guys who clicked subscribe. If you have not clicked subscribe, please consider it. We are so close to being monetized, very close. And thank you to everyone who has gotten me something off my Amazon. You don't have to, but I appreciate it so much. Like, y'all have no idea. And thank you so very much to all of my patrons. I think right now we have 3 patrons, which is insane. So thank you guys so much. I'm gonna keep delivering great videos. Like I said, I'm gonna be heading to North Carolina pretty soon. So that's gonna be a new change of pace. I've been in Georgia and Alabama in a lot of these vlogs. So yeah, I have not been to like Asheville ever. So I'm really excited to go up to North Carolina. Anyways, I'm starting to burn up in here because it's very hot. It's like 84 degrees. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. I think I like when it rains. Debbie came by to say hello. I sang a song with Timothy. Then me and Karen ate Jello.